How to assemble an aluminum dog bed. Put the 4 thin aluminum tubes into the cloth first. Then assemble the cloth and heavy aluminum pipe. Assemble 3 sides. Pay attention to the direction of the tube installation. The logo is facing up, straight up. We can find the avoidance space when we install the foot cup. This is easy to lock the screws. In front of this hole, the screw went through it from the bottom up. Okay, just put the screw in. Turn the dog bed over and face up. You can see that this logo is correct. Put the bottom cup in place. Install the last aluminum tube. At this time, there will be a tension. Repress the aluminum tube down. It's stuck in the slot. Pass the screw through the hole. Pay attention to align the hole. At this point we use a wrench to tighten the screws. Then turn the dog bed over and assemble the 4 feet. Install in the position corresponding to the alignment screw. Let's tighten this screw with a wrench again.